may officially be getting myself in trouble because I can't stop eating Buldak Ramen. And for mine, I add green onion, cucumber, bok choy. I hook it all the way up. And sometimes I even use bean sprouts. But today, I didn't use bean sprouts because the store didn't have any. And crab, or imitation crab. Can't have a soup without the imitation crab. And so I put the seasoning packet on it. These noodles, there's something about them, they're just so chewy and delicious. And I use all of the spicy, all of it. Okay, now I'm gonna add all of the spicy sauce. And this is my lunch for today. I have chili left over for dinner. And this is just so good. All my sauce. And now I'm gonna mix it all up. The flavor is so bomb. Ooh. And I just leave a little water at the bottom because Lord knows I can't handle all this spice. And then I allow the hot water to cook my bok choy a little bit for me. This is good with enoki mushroom. Anything that you could think of to put in here. Boiled egg. So now you got a peek at my lunch. So it's just so much spice, but the flavor is fire. I don't know what it is. It's like taking me back to my childhood or something. We used to walk around eating the ramen package dry, and we would eat the salt and the crunchy noodles like it was chips or something. I need to stop eating this before my cholesterol go up or something. I'm like in my 40s. I can't just eat what I want. But I want this. I do. And I can't stop wanting it. Like, the flavor, you guys, is and the noodles. And the noodles. It's so good. It's something about the food that makes your nose run. It's always the best. Bok choy. Green onion, crab, and cucumber. I love this stuff. I don't know why. It's just, it must be some MSG or something.